When I came out of school in 1990, you rarely saw a person that had a knee replacement who was younger than 65. Rarely, ever.
Right.
But then progressing over time, they started to do research on, joint cleanouts, like to do arthroscopic surgery to take care of your meniscus issue or whatever. And they found that when they just did a sham surgery versus the active surgery, that more people in the sham, meaning they didn't get the intervention, but they thought they did because they drilled a couple holes in their skin, but they actually didn't get the intervention. The sham surgery actually did better than the people who had the meniscal repair or the clean out, right? So they've really turned away from doing those surgeries. But what's happened as a result is the age now is younger and younger of people having total knee replacements. So instead of the arthroscopic surgery where they poke a couple holes and try to do the repair, now it's much more significant for people in their 40s, even 40s, less common, but 50s, of having total knee replacements, total joint replacements. And guess what's gone up as a result? Well, the total knee and total hip replacement complications and infections have gone up significantly. But again, there's research now, and I hate to beat the drum again, but there's research about if the gut isn't as healthy as possible, then these people can have infection, they can have issues after the surgery. And it's no wonder that they were losing money from not doing the arthroscopic surgeries. They had to find something else to do. And now there's no placebo or sham studies to see, do we really need those total joint replacements, right? Are those going to fare better than a sham surgery to say that, hey, you may or may not have had a total joint replacement. Let's see how you do over these next couple of years. And then it'd be really interesting to see if the placebo or sham surgeries actually had equal or even better results than the actual surgery itself, like they've seen in other surgeries.
And again, if you're not fixing what's causing inflammation of the joint, then